Hi everyone, I'm Gaurav. Welcome to Elements of AI. Today, let's quickly understand why SQL, that's structured query language, is super important to master AI, and let's see why it's ideal to start your AI journey with SQL. Let's get started. To begin with, SQL is the simplest, at the same time extremely powerful language available at anyone's disposal. All businesses keep track of their data in databases. I've been working as a data scientist for many years now, and I use SQL all the time to get insights from these databases. As an example, if someone at Google wants to know the performance of this store icon, all they need to do is to write an SQL query to get the number of visitors who clicked on the store icon versus the number of visitors who landed on the page. Not only for insight generation, we need SQL to create, manipulate, and update these databases. SQL is the foundation for generating reports and dashboards that guide businesses with performances and trends. Relational databases are the backbone of any mobile or web applications. We use SQL to store as well as retrieve information that we seek or enter. It also plays a crucial role in building data pipelines that eventually are fed into large models like ChatGPT or Bard. To be honest, in today's world, everyone can accelerate their careers by learning SQL. Here are a few job roles that look for SQL skills: data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, BI engineer, data scientist, database administrator, web developer, financial analyst, database developer, quality assurance analyst, and many more. If you aspire to get into any of these roles, SQL is for you. If you want to learn and master AI, having good data skills becomes an essential prerequisite. Creating or modifying tables, generating insights, or creating data pipelines are the operations a data scientist or an AI scientist would perform on a daily basis. Since SQL excels in these areas and given its simplicity and effectiveness, I would recommend to start your AI journey with SQL. I'm going to break this down by smaller steps so that learning SQL becomes a fun process. Stay tuned.